When thinking about siting the defibrillator cabinet, you should choose a prominent location, somewhere that's easily accessible and that has an external or an internal power source which can be connected to the actual cabinet. The importance of having an electrical supply is the fact that the cabinet contains a thermostatically controlled heating element and lights. These need to be powered by a 240 volt AC current. The heating element, which is thermostatically controlled, automatically fires up at 8 degrees centigrade. If the temperature inside the cabinet drops below this, the gel-based electropads on the defibrillator could freeze or become less effective in the event of needing to be used. When considering what surface to mount your defibrillator cabinet on, you should always ideally aim for solid brick. If mounted onto a wooden surface or an unstable fence, for example, it may present problems with opening, potentially leading to difficulty in getting the actual defibrillator out of the cabinet. As we said before, the cabinet should be IP66 rated so as to provide a full ingress protection against all weathers, making it water and dust tight. The light makes the AED inside visible, and therefore you can check it through the viewing window to see that the actual defibrillator is still in a serviceable condition and ready to be used if required. Some cabinets will also have a magnetic light which can be removed and used as a torch when assisting the patient if required. Cabinets where the light is permanently on act as a beacon in the dark, making them easier to see.